Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today we have a 2008 Land Rover Range Rover Supercharged. That's right, this has the 4.2 liter supercharged V8, 400 horse, 420 pound-feet of torque. However, what really makes this car is its story. It's a two-owner car. However, in 2012 and into 2013, this car went to Dubai. So this is a US car, USDM car. Well, not USDM, but whatever. This car was brand new in the US. However, the first owner took this thing to Dubai for a year and shipped it back to the States. Oh no, that's just sagging a little bit there. Sound system in the back. Rear seat heating. These seats are actually in good shape. It's an 08, 122,000 miles on it. It's a Range Rover Sport Supercharged. This thing is sick. So this is one of our auction cars, but it's just so cool. And with a backstory like that, I just had to spotlight it. And yes, that is a legitimate Dubai plate. The other thing that led me off, other than the note in the Carfax, was this Premier Motors service sticker from Dubai with another one there. Well, remnants of another one there. All your memory seat functions. It's missing one of these, but the main function itself still works. Looks like lumbar. Oh, it's so humid out. But the AC still works. Oh yeah. Nice big square sun visor with big mirror. Sunroof. This is kind of where Range Rover started to be luxury with capabilities. Now they're almost purely luxury with some pretty significant off-road capabilities. Air suspension. I never tested if that worked. Let's see here. It works. Oh, you guys do not know how excited I am now. It works. Wow, that is pretty significant. Will it go all the way up? It's a little bumpy, but oh, there it goes. All right. It still works. No backup camera. You do have sensors. I mean, everything in here is very dated. This is still a touchscreen for giggles. Let's see how dated this whole thing. Oh yeah. Yep, that's pretty dated. But without further ado, let's go ahead. I will have the AC a bit louder than normal. It is so freaking hot and muggy out that, listen, I'm not just gonna suck it up and say, oh yeah, it's okay. Nope. It's really muggy out, so that's where I'm at. Oh, you can just ever so slightly hear the supercharger whine. It's so much more present in this than in the newer ones. Wow, okay. Oh, I love Supercharged. I love everything Supercharged. Thing is, I own a Hellcat. It's so fun. Supercharger noises are awesome, but I can't use the car. There's just nowhere to really enjoy it other than the drag strip. With this, I can enjoy this thing just merging onto the highway. It's usable power. Another odd thing too is the horn is not the airbag. It's these buttons here. I was just absolutely annoying everybody that lives in a mile radius. But worth it. Let's go. Handling Range Rover. It's a big, heavy SUV. I'm not expecting it to handle well. However, ooh, that's not half bad. It's got body roll. What doesn't? Oh, I love this car. It's so retro, nostalgic. I grew up, I was 8 years old when this car came out. I had an orange die-cast Range Rover Sport. So when I saw this thing come in on trade, I'm like, oh my God, I gotta drive this thing. Did the appraisal. You know, it's not worth what you think it would be worth. It's in the 4 figures, not 5. You know, and it's not in the high 4 figures either. This is about a $3,000-$4,000 car on a good day. But that's wholesale. It's just, I feel like the reliability has scared so many people away, and rightfully so. When these things start to break, it's still a very expensive car, and it's going to need some very expensive parts. But when everything works, this thing is one heck of a car. And it's one heck of a story for this specific car. I don't think I'll ever drive another car that has been to Dubai and back. We'll hear a lot of stories about cars being exported, you know, going overseas or coming here from overseas. There's not a lot of stories about cars that have gone there and after a year been taken back to the United States from their owner. This car has done, it's gone across the globe, and it's still here to tell its story. It's so freaking cool. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. See y'all in the next one.